Hello, this is the journal I made this month with Line.Arrow monthly challenge, and I used Natalie's new kit called Brown Velvet. So soft cover, 2 signatures, 3-hole pamphlet stitch, and there's a card, bingo card in that pocket. I used blues to complement the browns. I used the freebies and the kit. And this is part of the design team journal. There's a tag, little pockets, lots of writing space, lots of little things tucked here and there. A tag with a pocket and another little insert. Nice textured tags and pockets, but the main feature here are the beautiful digital pages. And we're coming to the end here, the last beautiful pages, and there's an envelope stuffed with some extras, a beat up belly band with a pocket, and the insert that has a couple of extra things tucked into it, and another card, and a trifold. So much fun working with this kit. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.